Happy Science Saturday! This is Miss Jessica, Camp Sela's naturalist, sending greetings from the meadow between the picnic shelter and the playground. Did you solve the riddle from last time? That's right, we're going to talk about butterflies. And not just butterflies, but also other pollinators. The week of June 22nd through the 28th is National Pollinator Week. Do you know what a pollinator is? It is anything that can help move pollen from the male part of a flower, the stamen, to the female part, the stigma. The pollination of a flower is what makes it become fertilized and produce fruits, seeds, and young plants. Some plants don't need any help with this process and use wind and water to move their pollen. But some flowers need help and require insects and animals to help, such as bees, wasps, moths, butterflies, birds, flies, and even small mammals and bats. Foods such as berries and fruits are the best example of how pollination is important. For a raspberry to have fully developed fruit, they need pollinators to move the pollen around to each of its pistils to make the drupelet of the fruit. 1 out of every 3 bites of food is thanks to a pollinator in some way. See if you can sit patiently near blooming flowers and see who comes to visit. Can you see the pollen getting on their legs as they come to visit the flowers? See how they can help move pollen from one plant to the next? You can use the worksheet listed in the description to write down your observation thanks to pollinator.org, or write them in your nature notebook. If you can't find any pollinators and you're at camp, I have hidden 10 pictures of butterflies around the edge of the playground. Can you find them and identify them all? A lot of times, plants that require pollination will produce nectar, a sugary liquid to both lure and reward their pollinators for helping out. You can easily reproduce this type of food for butterflies and other pollinators using the plans for this feeder and food at home. Now here's the riddle for next week's topic. This is a unique type of mammal, as its webbed wings mean that they can fly. They can find their way using echoes for flying in both caves and the sky. What am I? So long for now.